Every single decision and every single action happening around us is a small part of a big picture.
It's a unique opportunity of being not in a classical academic setting with exceptionally experienced professionals.
So it's not only a logic that brings you from problem to a solution, but it is the context in which you operate.
This educational technique is where students learn by doing.
They need to come out of the standard box of the thinking and think outside of the box.
It's an excellent experience, and for those people who are still making up their mind, I can certainly recommend go for it. CAPS gathers together a very interesting group of young people who are very motivated, who have different backgrounds, who want to contribute to the growth of Ukraine, to the reforms in Ukraine.
How will Ukraine insert itself into the global value chains, into the global economy, in ways that build the prosperity of all of its people going forward? We need to train people to participate in an overall economic reform process.
Well, it's not an academic course, so that the idea is to have it as interesting and pragmatic and engaging as possible.
No lecture is like the previous one because the things change, the reality changes.
The students come in and are given case studies, and they have to solve problems, and then they have to articulate the solutions to those problems.
Simulation helps the students to experience, not only to understand, but to touch and feel the question.
It really relies on people to use their own minds and then present and convince other people that they have a logical approach to solving that problem.
It's an attempt to encourage them to see through the pragmatic angle.
And maybe they'll be able to lobby for these reforms. Maybe they'll be able to join the government in a leadership position.
I think it is an excellent opportunity to just get so many answers, build networks, and create a community.
I believe these classes are forming relationships that will endure for the next 5, 10, 20 years. I would ask people who are considering studying at CAPS, would you like to be in a wonderful network of very modern-minded, very highly motivated, innovative people? Do you want to be part of that future?